Hi angels! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, I'm going to do a Sagittarius look requested by my subscriber. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to get updated with my upcoming videos. Thank you! Moisturizer, gagamitin ko itong wet coat.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack. And you can pick
For my primer, I'm going to use this sleek hydrating primer.
Pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here. Track is in. Pack up.
For my foundation, I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter in the shades of 240.
We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
For my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser.
Say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and
Magbe-bake lang ako. Gagamitin ko tong Revolution Translucent Loose Setting Powder.
in back coast and hold back there in. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see.
Para sa aking kilay, gagamitin ko tong Vivi Flora Brows Pencil.
No, if you never go, so run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
Contour time, gamitin ko tong Nichido Contour Palette.
Say hello to New York City.
For my face, I'm going to use this V-Face Duo Stick from Maybelline.
Say hello to New York City.
For my lower lash line, I'm going to use a Hollywood Diva eyeliner pen. For my mascara, I'm going to use this Full Lash Bloom from CoverGirl. my wing liner, I'm going to use this Master Precise All Day from Maybelline. I'm just going to add some glitter for my eyes. This is from Hang Fang Glitter. For my blush, I'm going to use this Eye Revolution Peach color. Highlighter from Fifth Avenue. For my lips, I'm going to use two shades from Ever Belena, which is Moody Merlot, and Maybelline, which is in the shades of 130.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!